Good morning, you guys. We are going to start graphing today with Google Sheets. I'm sorry I can't be here today. My kids were a close contact at daycare yesterday morning, so we have to stay home now. I will be back tomorrow. My husband and I are going to change days on and off, but we will be back tomorrow, or I'll be back tomorrow. So you need to watch this video. You need to get out your homework sheet from yesterday that says even more practice with scatter plots, and you're going to graph this. I'm going to do different numbers than you. So what you're going to do is open Google Sheets. Here's your x-axis, here's your y-axis. I would label these. Again, mine's a little bit different than you. I'm actually doing your quiz. Number of hours, and your y here is percents. Then you will go down and type your pieces of data in that you have. Again, I'm just going to do a couple for the sake of time. I need to get back home. And here's the percents. Okay, now what you are going to do to actually make the scatter plot, you have to highlight this. That's the biggest thing. You need to highlight it. There's a button over here that says Insert Chart. You can click on this. Okay, this is not the kind of chart we want. We want to go over to Chart Type, and you can see a scatter plot right here. So there's my scatter plot. Now, I need to change a couple of things. I'm going to need to change this title. Talks about number of free throws. We can go to chart title right over here and change it. Number of hours spent practicing free throws. Again, you can title it whatever you want. Okay, now we have our scatter plot. Look at what they scale them by for us. So when you find your slope, you're going to see what they scale them by. Now, you need to go down to where it says, under Customize, where it says Series. And when you scroll all the way down, you're going to see a trend line. You need to click that box, and it will have your line of best fit for you, or your trend line. Okay, so it's done all that work for you. Now, you need to pick two perfect points. Notice that these dots are not on the line. So you need to try to pick perfect points that you can get from. Like this one might be perfect. This one you know is halfway, so you could like estimate. This one you could use if you wanted to. And just like we do on our paper, you have to decide how many you went up and how many you went over. But remember, these are scaled by 25. So you went up 25, and these are scaled by 5. You went over 5, 10, 15. So your slope would actually be like 25 over 15. Again, you'll have more dots and you'll have more perfect points. But that's how you're going to do this. So what you're going to do again is you're going to make a table, highlight it, insert a graph, and then under Series is trend line. And if you need to watch this video again, go ahead and do that. What I want you to do is attach this graph to your homework in Google Classroom, like insert an attachment, so I can see that you're doing this correctly. Tomorrow I will be here and we will talk about the project, and I'll make sure that all of you are doing or understanding this. If you need anything, please email me, you guys. I will be able to respond to you. Have a great day.